Hey guys, you may have already seen a couple of videos featuring this phone on my channel, but I never did an unboxing, so let's do a quick one and get it out of the way. The phone in question, as you can see, is the 2017 edition of Samsung Galaxy J3. What's new compared to its predecessor is an aluminum body, a 13 megapixel main camera with f1.9 aperture and a front selfie flash. The processor is also new. All J3 versions now come with the Exynos 7570 quad-core 1.4 GHz processor and 2 GB of RAM. It comes with Android 7.0 Nougat out of the box, but this time around the screen is of PLS LCD variety instead of an AMOLED display, and the battery has a bit less capacity. It's down from 2600 to 2400 mAh. Inside the box you get the phone up top. You know the drill, let's move it aside for now and see what else is in there. You get a whole bunch of leaflets, basically your quick start guide and warranty information. Next, you get a pair of earphones, quite a basic set. Speaking of basic, you get a USB-A to micro USB cable and of course a travel adapter with an output of 1 amp. And of course, here's the SIM ejector tool. Let's peel the plastic off and check the device itself. I quite like this blue-silver color. I think it's more attractive than the other options. Here you see a typical Samsung layout. Below the 5-inch screen you get a physical home button without a fingerprint scanner and capacitive recent apps and back buttons. Up top we see the front 5 megapixel camera, earpiece, proximity sensor and a front LED flash. The screen is of classic 16:9 proportions, and I can't say the bezels are especially thin. This is a very classic look. The mostly aluminum backside is home to the main camera and LED flash, and in this case Samsung and Duos branding, which marks a dual SIM variant. On the ergonomically curved right side of the phone you get the main speaker and the power button, and the opposite side is a bit more busy. Here we have volume up and down buttons, main SIM card slot, and below that another slot which will hold your second SIM card and a micro SD card of up to 256 GB capacity. There's nothing on the top side, and on the bottom you'll find the micro USB port which supports USB on the go, main microphone and the 3.5mm headphone jack. Let's see what the screen looks like. We'll run through the setup quickly. At first glance, I don't really miss the AMOLED screen, colors seem vibrant enough. You get a whole bunch of Google, Microsoft and Samsung apps pre-installed. That's the way Samsung rolls. The camera app seems well equipped with features. Let's see which settings you get in Pro mode. You can adjust exposure compensation, ISO and white balance. Here we get some filters. You can access the front camera with a simple swipe. You'll be able to shoot Full HD videos using this phone, but there's no OIS. The focusing is quick, but it's not like the conditions are quickly changing here on my desk. Moving on, of course you can open apps in split screen view. My main concern was what the display experience will be like, and I have to say this PLS display is really quite nice. Viewing angles should be better than on AMOLED panels if you like to look at your phone sideways. All in all, it's a nice little phone, especially if you need to use 2 SIM cards, but I can't say there's anything compelling about it that will make you buy it if you're not already a Samsung fan. That's it for this unboxing. Thanks for watching, hope you liked the video. Stay subscribed for more stuff like this, and until the next video, goodbye.